Alright, so success. Funny. Everything is working perfectly now. Alright, so this is a continuation. So we can run faster than this because of what we are collecting. You can see the speed and the condenser is working perfectly. We just changed water inside. Now you can see how clean our product is. So fortunately, we can't use more than this condenser, but you can see how fast we're collecting our product, and we're doing well, and it's pretty clean. So running at a higher temperature will only give us more product, but we need a better condenser. So I'm just gonna reduce the power of the condenser. The vicinity I am, there are lots of people and I don't want to give them concern, so we're doing great.